start things off at 8 o'clock, Henry. I cannot wait, and I'm going to set the bar high. I'm a tough act to follow, so good luck. Yeah, it's going to be a lot of fun. I'm an old man. I get up early, so it's going to be great. Have a little coffee, stuff the bus. I'll tell you what. And don't forget, not only are you helping students, you're helping our teachers. Our teachers have to reach into their own wallets so often to get school supplies for a lot of children. That's also who you help out by helping us out with these school supplies. Pick City forecast time. Let's take a look. We're going to head up to the north. Hello, Bandera, the cowboy capital, the beautiful Bandera County Courthouse. A few morning clouds to start Friday, but then partly sunny skies, so there'll be a fair amount of cloud cover in the afternoon. 102 on the feels like. That's what happens when you're west and especially northwest of San Antonio. If you're east, those feels like temperatures are cranking up to 106 to 107 today. I saw it, Gonzales. So just prepare for that. I mean, there's a big difference if you're east with a lot more humidity than if you're west. You can keep those heat indices around 100. All right, I want to start with this river flood warning that continues. Just updated this newest level, Nueces River at Tilden. Remember, the flooding rains were 2 weeks ago, but we still have so much surplus water. And this level barely moved. I mean, at 6 p.m., it was at 21.3. Tonight, 9:30's reading, 21.11. So we're still 2 feet above the major flood category. And as you can tell, we're going to go to moderate, but not until probably Saturday, maybe Friday night. And then we're not going to get down to flood stage until sometime at the beginning of next week. So they just renewed this warning until 11 a.m. tomorrow. Look at the rainfall. We're going to be closing out the month of July at 305. We won't see any rain tomorrow. And now that brings us up for 2026 to 2479, almost 6.5 inches above average. And look what it's done to the drought monitor. This is one of the best I've ever seen. I mean, there's just a sliver of drier than normal. That's what yellow is. That's not drought condition. A third of the county in moderate drought, along with Atascosa County. One small pocket near Tilden and the Nueces River, ironically, is going to be severe drought. You've got to go all the way up to the Panhandle before you find extreme drought, that one small pocket of red. Good southeast fetch from the Gulf tonight. Temperature-wise, we're at 88. It's mostly clear. Southeast winds at 14. We did nail 99 on a high today. 101 Seguin and Gonzales, but like I said, they felt like 106 to 108. Dangerous heat indices east of us. That's why we have that weather impact alert. That's the actual temperatures are hitting down to the south and west. Crystal City, Carrizo Springs, all hitting like 106 to 107. Air temp. I mean, it's incredibly hot down there. All right, so the high slips a little bit to the west. That opens a door, because watch what happens. All this blue is very dry. We get a little precipitable water. Fun word to say, precipitable. And when that moves through with that little frontal boundary, very weak front, we're going to have enough moisture for a chance of rain. Look what the graph model's doing on this. Nice little line develops on Saturday evening. So if I see this again tomorrow on this high-resolution model, we're going to go up to about a 30 or 40% chance. But right now, for Saturday evening, this is 5 to 6 p.m., there's now going to be about a 20% chance of showers. Let's take a look at what we've got on the 14-day forecast from San Fernando Cathedral. We've got the next few afternoons as weather impact alerts with those heat index values running around 105 to 108 east of the city. And here in San Antonio, 103 to 104 is going to be reachable on Friday, Saturday, where I think we could hit a pair of 100s. 99 on Sunday. Rain chance, like I said, Saturday evening, 20%, 10% Sunday and Monday. Then we get into August and we'll settle down on a dry, hot pattern with temperatures relatively normal. Remember, we're now averaging a high of 97 degrees this time of year.